Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best doctor kits. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we all have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Melissa and Doug Get Well Doctor's Kit playset. The first one in the list is a set of doctor kits for toddler from Melissa and Doug. It's widely known as a great set because there are up to 25 pieces of realistic toys that your kids can play like a real doctor to examine the patient. It's designed specifically for kids whose ages are from 3 to 6 years old, so the toy is not too big nor too small for their hand. On top of that, since it uses high-quality material, these toys from Melissa and Doug are super durable. It can also be cleaned up when dirty. What's also great about Melissa and Doug is it comes with a handy tote that you can use to store all the pieces too. It's very useful as you can always keep your space clean and neat after your kids' playtime. Moving on, at number 9, we have the JGSY Doctor Kit. Moving on to the next product, we have kids' favorite doctor kit from JGSY. It is highly recommended because in its set, there are up to 45 pieces of accessories related with dental field, counting from dental mirror, stethoscope, eyeglasses and many more. Each piece looks very realistic. Stethoscopes in particular can even make a heartbeat sound that makes kids feel like they are really a doctor. Having a full set of doctor kits, kids can effectively develop their imagination and learn about social skills as they are enjoying their time. On top of that, they can also start working harder in order to become a real doctor by simply playing this role. This doctor kit for kids from JGSY comes in pink colors, so it's perfect to gift your daughter or any girls in your family. At number 8, we have the 35 pieces Doctor Pretend Play equipment. On the top 8th, we have another popular doctor kit for kids from Loyo. Produced with the purpose to familiarize themselves with real medical kits, Loyo Doctor Kit can effectively reduce your kids' fear in terms of engaging with real doctors when they go to hospital. Loyo focuses on child-friendly design that allows them to play the toys safely. There is no piece among 35 total pieces that have sharp points or edges, so it's completely safe to play with. Moreover, the plastic used to make this is also toxic-free. Surely, Loyo is the best gift for any kids, specifically, those whose age is 3 and above. At number 7, we have the Joyjoz Pretend Play Medical Kit set. Moving on, there is another thoughtful educational doctor kit for kids from Joyjoz. One of the key things that attracts a lot of customers to Joyjoz is because it offers a great product but with super affordable prices, so you wouldn't have to empty your pocket for your kids' gift. Besides, they are all high quality and pretty durable since it's made from non-toxic BPA-free plastic, so you wouldn't have to worry if the toys would get broken and more. Each piece is smoothened in order to ensure there's no sharp corner that can cut your kid's body when they are playing. It's perfect for both girls and boys to play. At number 6, we have the Kidzlane Durable Kids Doctor Kit with electronic. Moving on, another set that is a perfect toy to gift your kids is from Kidzlane. It's very popular among parents that they buy this doctor kit for their kids. Kidzlane chose the best 12 medical tools that your kids can play for their entertainment. What's also special is that those items also have integrated sound effects that look and feel like a real tool, so kids feel like it's a real-life game. It's come in a carrying case where you can store or bring them anywhere. No matter where you go, you can always bring Kidzlane along for your kids. At number 5, we have the MCFANCE Toy Doctor Kits. On the top 5th in the list, the best doctor kit for kids is from MCFANCE. Coming with a set of 48 pieces included, this doctor kit toy is perfect for both girls and boys to play for their everyday entertainment. The fact that it has many pieces, which is a lot more than the typical doctor kit in the market, allows your kids to be able to play with many other kids, so they can improve their social interaction, language and brain while understanding about doctor's responsibility and more. A lot of customers claim that their kids are happier and especially they have less anxiety when it comes to real doctor appointments. Instead they become more interested in what doctor will be performed on them. It's a really useful toy that every kid should spend their time playing. At number 4, we have the Fajiabao Doctor Kits for kids with stethoscope medical set. Another kid favorite Doctor Kits on the top 4th is from Fajiabao. This top 4th is another affordable product compared to most in the market. With pocket-friendly prices, you can get up to 14 pieces of items including stethoscope, needles, glasses, doctor coat and more. On top of this, there is also a mini doctor case where your kid can store the toys and carry them as if they are a real doctor. With these realistic doctor kits, your kids surely can spend hours playing without getting bored. At number 3, we have the Play Dentist Medical Kit. Next, another superior quality doctor kit for kids is from Joyjoz. Coming in a set that has up to 31 pieces of toys, this brand surely knows what they are doing because all their products are made with super high quality plastic that fits safety test standards. There is also a wide case that can be used to store all the products so that they don't get lost after playtime. This Doctor Kit from Joyjoz is perfect to play at home or even in classroom like roleplay because all of them are designed based on the real medical tool, so it looks and feels just like the genuine ones when playing them. At number 2, we have the Meland Toy Doctor Kit. Moving on to the top second best doctor kit for kids in the list, it is a product from a brand called Meland. Now, if you have a daughter or you are looking for a gift for a girl, this is definitely the one. It comes with a set of pink colors with many medical tools to play with. Moreover, Meland also offers a light pink nurse set that looks so cute on any girls. It's available for kids whose age is from 3 to 8 years old. What you can also do with your kids with this is to play with them while explaining to them about the tools. How do we use them and get them familiarized with those items so they feel more conditioned with meeting a real doctor and overcome their fears. With this, kids can also be more creative and you can also observe how they play to learn more about your kids' personality and behavior. And finally at number 1, we have the Battat Deluxe Doctor Kit. If you were into Doctor Kit when you were a kid, you probably have heard about Battat before. Since 1897, this brand has set its foot very strong in the toys market by producing the most reliable and thoughtful toys that are purposely made to develop a kid's brain and personality. Designed as a package with a case, this deluxe doctor set has 11 pieces of medical tools that are ideal for a kid to play during their playtime. With full experience for toy productions, Battat makes sure that their product is completely safe to work with by using only BPA-free plastic to produce them. It's recommended for any toddlers from 18 months and above. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.